Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tidbits, promotions, and fun. Living in Jamaica, we oftentimes see tourists arriving in the island, soaking in the sunshine, shuttled in air-conditioned buses to award-winning destinations. And oftentimes, one may wonder, when will I be able to take my loved ones on a fun-filled vacation? For many years, we have extended to our clients our two successful vacation payment options. They have proven to be so successful, we will share them here with you today. The first option is to book your vacation far in advance, and by that we mean between 12 to 18 months in advance. This allows you to make a minimal deposit on the trip, pay in comfortable installments, and get done with making all payments up to 2 months before the date of travel. Then, the only focus is on putting aside money that you may need for your pocket while away on vacation. The other is to become a participant in our vacation payment program, where you make agreed deposits into our dedicated account for 6 months. During this time, you can select the vacation plan of your choice and nail down your travel dates. Once you have confirmed the date, agreed on the rate, and the length of the travel, the savings will be applied to your holiday, and instantly your deposit and or first payment would have been taken care of. From there onwards, it's simply a matter of looking at the difference and working out that plan to complete the payment. We at Sheri-Fun Travels and Resorts Limited are happy to facilitate your payment plan to make all your vacation dreams come to life. Friends, when you hear that a cruise line is offering a reduced deposit of US $25, $49, $50, or even $125, take advantage of it. If your trip is more than 3 months from the deposit date, your deposit is fully refundable. You have absolutely nothing to lose. The benefit to be gained, however, is that you lock in early rates, and so even as the date draws near, you have no fear as your rate remains unchanged up to the final payment date. Another layer of protection is travel protection. This is an important part of your travel arsenal and should never be taken lightly. When planning a vacation, no one plans to miss a flight, have an accident, or have an emergency that requires that you must cut your trip short and beat a hasty retreat home. However, these things happen, and they can really place the traveler in a tailspin. This is when your travel protection policy becomes a lifesaver and seems like a gift from God Himself. It opens doors to airline changes, emergency surgeries, airlift home, and even repatriation if death unfortunately occurs along the way. Make your travel protection an integral part of your vacation plans, as in the middle of having a fun-filled holiday, the unexpected may just happen. We invite you to visit our YouTube channel for Sheri-Fun Travels and Resorts and subscribe. This will allow you to get all our episodes of Sheri-Fun Vibe in live and living color. Leave a comment and share it with all your friends and family members. Remember, at Sheri-Fun Travels and Resorts Limited, we're all about the fun. Ciao.